How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with another paintless dent repair video. This time around, it's hail damage. It's probably gonna be like a hail damage month, or at least a couple of videos gonna have a lot of hail damage type references and all that good stuff and information. Today we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander. We're just finishing up. This is our satellite location. We're just finishing up this hailstorm that came through. I believe it was the first week of July. So it's the end of July now at the time of filming this video. And we got pretty much the last car probably in this facility. We did a month to month. If any of you guys watch us on our show, we talked about setting this whole storm up, and we rented a building for month to month service to at least facilitate all the cars and get them all in. This is where our hail team was primarily located. It's only about 15 miles from our shop, but we've noticed that customers don't really want to drive that far. So we put a building right here, and this is it. So we've pretty much ready to turn in the keys. We had one other car to work on. Again, it's a Highlander. Customer requested for us not to do any R&Is. We do have to do the roof rack, but he doesn't want the headliner and any of the extensive removal of any interior panels to gain access. So a lot of this footage is going to be us glue pulling the roof, glue pulling the rails, glue pulling doors. The hood we were okay, we can get a tool behind, but this is pretty much sums up the entire video. Hopefully you enjoy this video. It's a new video for us, new style. Our videographer is going to put his touches on it, and hopefully you enjoy, guys. So what I'm using right here is the Dent Reaper adjustable handle tool. It's his shorter option. It's the shortest one he sells. And this throw is a lot longer than any other tool that I have, at least, or maybe on the market. And it really allows me to, instead of having the tool so far away from the access point, I can get actually a little closer, less fatigue on my body, and it's removing the dent quite well. It's very, very sharp, so you got to know what you're doing. But yeah, this tool right now is winning the hearts on any area, you know, about 12 inches from our access point. So if anybody's interested.
You seem to be nearing completion. Any difficulties so far?
Not really. The fact that we cannot R&I anything has really added some time to it. We have to just get more creative. Other than that, it's not too hateful. The car has not hit that bad with hail. We thought it was going to be a fairly worse damage, but not bad. A good day's work. so the benefit of doing a lot of hail cars and during a hailstorm, I'm able to review a series of tools that normally don't get a lot of cycle time through our system, through door dings and stuff like that. So these dead center tabs from Kiko, beautiful. I lost a bunch of them. They're on back order, probably for a reason. These things will pull the center of the dent no matter what. It's probably one of the strongest tabs and more precise tabs to actually own. Another thing that we've been able to test out is the glue gun from Shore Bonder, and I am doing a review on a bunch of different glue guns. And every time I try to do a review on glue guns, more and more hit the market. Anyway, so I need to put this through its paces again. About month 3 is when they start to break down. So now I've been able to, this has been my main driver, my workhorse for the last 2 months. So Shore Bonder, so those are the tools I've been able to do. And obviously the new Stucky cordless light, it is sleek, no cord, completely love it. Battery seems to be lasting about 6 hours so far for me on my settings, which is close to max. But I'm gonna be doing some further testings with multiple batteries, multiple lights, different settings on the light and stuff like that. So now I'm able to actually use the tools. I hate doing reviews if I can't use the tools, so that's one of the benefits of this hail car.
What's up guys, Dave here with Dentless Touch. So we're just finishing up this 2018 Toyota Highlander with hail damage on it. Pretty straightforward repair. Pretty much every panel was touched, but it wasn't severe damage. There weren't a lot of dents compared to what we've been dealing with some of these other cars on this storm. So the major difficulties with this was probably, I think, what Chris mentioned earlier with the R&I, not being able to R&I the headliner, limited access. A lot of glue pulling. So that was probably the only thing that made this whole vehicle complicated, was just not being able to have access to certain areas of the panels. But other than that, everything went really smooth. And now we're just putting everything back together. We got to put the roof racks back on, tighten those down. Everything should be good to go. So yeah, catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks.
What did I normally start out with?
Hey guys.
Yeah, there you go. Dang, yo.
Back again with another Paintless that repair video. Today we have a Toyota Highlander. I watched a couple.
Yeah, just a few.
Right?